Alright folks, today I'm going to show you how to master the Emergency SOS feature on your iPhone in just 2 minutes. This is a critical feature that could really make a difference in an emergency situation. First, let's talk about how to activate it. If you're using an iPhone 8 or newer, all you need to do is press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the Emergency SOS slider appears. Swipe the slider to call emergency services. For those of you with older models like the iPhone 7 or earlier, you can activate it by pressing the side or top button 5 times quickly. The Emergency SOS slider will pop up, and you just swipe to call. Now let's make sure automatic calling is enabled. Head to Settings, scroll down to Emergency SOS, and toggle On Call with side button and auto call. This way, your iPhone will automatically call emergency services after a quick countdown. Next, setting up emergency contacts is crucial. Open the Health app, tap on your profile picture, and navigate to Medical ID. Here, you can add emergency contacts who will be notified with your location when you use the Emergency SOS feature. Once you've added your emergency contacts, your iPhone will send them a message with your location when you trigger Emergency SOS. This feature can really help responders find you quickly. Alright, so that's the rundown on using Emergency SOS on your iPhone. Make sure to practice this feature so you're familiar with it in case of an emergency. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more iPhone tips and tricks. Stay safe out there. Catch you in the next one.